All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on this BBQ Daddy, Scrub Daddy, that my wife bought me. I've never used this before, but it looks like a lot of other people are saying that this works really good, so we're gonna see how this goes. She bought me a big brush like this, and she did buy me a couple of these. I'm not gonna use these. These just look like little, small little handheld scrubbers. And this is a replacement thing for this, and I got some power paste, which I'm not going to use this either. So we'll put that aside, and this aside. And this was bought all with our own money. And if you like this, I'm going to try to find a link to put this down in the description. It will take you to where we bought this. This part here is what I'm going to get wet with some water, and it says to use cold water. Really cold water. Like, it looks like they put even ice in the water. So I'm going to get a bucket of water and put some ice in the water. And then we got a stainless steel scraper right here. It looks like these ones here are made for a grill that would have like stainless steel grates, which I don't have stainless steel grates. So I think I'm going to take my little scraper. There's little, take that off. There's little screws right here that you can take those screws out and flip this around. So I think I'm going to flip mine around, since I don't have the stainless steel round grates. So that really ain't gonna help me anyway. So let me flip that around real quick, and then we'll get into cleaning this grill and see if this thing works. And one more thing before I get this flipped around, another good thing that it does come with, if you have bottles of beer and you wanna drink a beer while you're cleaning this, it has a bottle opener on the end. I don't have a bottle of beer, but I do have a can. Oh, a little dripped out. All right, first step is you got to warm up your grill, and it says to warm it up to around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It says do not exceed 350. And then get a bucket of cold water, preferably put some ice in it, because it says it's gonna end up cleaning your grill grates with steam. So I'm guessing just the hot grates with the cold water is gonna make more steam. So let me shut this and warm this up. This is my old brush, so hopefully this works, because my old brush is shot. And I don't have to worry now about getting any of these bristles down onto my grates and getting into my food. It does have a little hook right here that I can hook it on here on my grill and keep it out here if I want. My grill is filthy. So the next video is going to be also on a video of me cleaning this entire grill. All right, we are at 300 degrees. Got my bucket of water with like 3 trays of ice in there. A little scraping. Now I'm gonna dunk it in my cold water. All right, let's see what happens. Also, it says this thing is dishwasher safe. So you can take this off and throw it in your dishwasher to clean it. And this handle also spins around for when you're scraping. I'm not even really pushing that hard. I'd have to say this definitely works. Except it doesn't clean underneath, which would make sense. All right, well, that's about it. What did you guys think of this BBQ Daddy, Scrub Daddy product? I think it worked really nice. I'd have to say I don't think I'm going to go get a bucket of water with ice in it every time, but maybe just a small bucket of water. And if I would clean it with this thing every time, I think it would actually keep my grates a lot nicer and a lot cleaner. So right after I'm done cooking, maybe then clean it. I definitely like the fact that I'm not going to have to worry about getting any more bristles on there. I like the fact that I can put this right in the dishwasher. So that's going to be my next thing I'm going to try. I'm going to put this in the dishwasher, see how good it cleans that up. I'd recommend maybe putting it on the bottom tray because it's pretty gross. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you think it turned out. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. And for all you that have already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. God bless and have a great summer.